Welcome to the first online masterclass here on YouTube. Today we're gonna go through the technique behind the effect of making a chocolate ball looking like an eye, making an eye effect on chocolate. And for this, you're gonna need following. So first up, we're gonna think of what do we want to be in focus on the outside. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to spray the black pupil so it gets in front of all the other colors and all of the other layers that we're gonna apply afterwards. So we're gonna start off with the black, and I prefer to use these ones because they are pre-tempered and so intense in color, so you only need a tiny bit. So I keep them in the oven at 40 or in the hot box at 40. Take them out of the oven and only for like a couple of seconds. Temperature is down to what I like to have them around 30, and they're perfect for spraying straight to praline molds. Great tips. Load up the gun with the black one. For the first layer, we're gonna use the smallest cutter, and you place it in the middle like this. Keep it in the middle and just spray. So next up we're gonna do, you're gonna use the second cutter. We're gonna create a dark fade around the circle of the eye. So just a thin fade of the black color with this one. Lift it up. You should get a circle like this. And from here we're gonna start to add the green colors. And we're gonna add a darker green and start from the edges. Go slowly into the middle, but just a tiny bit into the middle. Just like this. Third color, brighter green one, and then go to closer to the middle. So as you can see, we try to aim to the middle and go brighter, brighter, and brighter. We're gonna add one last color. To just get a little bit more brightness, we're gonna add yellow. Just a tiny bit. All of the colors are done. Now we're gonna finish it up and cover the whole mold with crispy white color. All right. Tempered dark chocolate, pipe it up into the molds. Give it some taps. 2-3 minutes. And then quickly just tap it up. Like this. Give it a bit knot. And that's how you make them. This way, just leave these ones for crystallization. Mold them together. You get an eye like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna make plenty more of these type of tutorials and online classes. And I'm gonna keep them for free because I think sharing is caring, isn't it? See you guys in the next video. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make these. Hello? Anybody here? Hello? What?